Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I did a little mini haul and I purchased this foundation from the number 7. I bought the lashes from Ardell in style 371. This palette, the mini palette, contour palette. I purchased these 2 lipsticks from L'Oreal. And 3 palettes from ColourPop. They were on sale. Wild Child, Making Mauves, and It's My Pleasure. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, so I'm trying to decide which foundation to use. I have these 2. The number 7, I've seen it so many times at Walgreens, but I never bought it until now. It's called Beautifully Matte, and this is shade Cool Ivory. And then I have the L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation, which I've never tried. And you know I love their liquid foundation, which is this one. This is the one that I usually always wear because I love it so much. It lasts all day, it's not caking, it doesn't separate, it's amazing. So when I saw this, I don't know if this is new. I have no idea. But I was like, I really want to try it. So I'm in between these 2. I have no idea which one. Let's see, let me open this one up just to see how it looks. It's a pump. I'm gonna go with this one just to see. I already primed my face, so it's ready to go. I got my sponge. Let me just try this side of my face. Pretty good shade. Oh, I like the shade. It matches really well. So this is one side with and one side without. It has really good coverage. So it dries down completely, but I'm still gonna set it with the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder in shade 612 because you know I'm oily and I need all the powder that I can get. I'm not gonna use concealer because it's really full coverage. I don't think I need it. Just on my T-zone. That's where I get the most oily. Let me just clean the foundation out of my lips. I hate that. So I saw this and it caught my eye from NYX. It's in the shade Fair. Get my brush. This is the Eco Tools brush, multitasking brush. Hopefully it's not too dark. Like a hot mess. This hair, those clips did not work on me. I had to take them off. Let's try the highlighter, which is this one. Seems pretty good. I don't know if you can see it well there. It's kind of chalky. I'm using my Moda Glow brush. It's very subtle. It's mainly glittery, I guess. So I made a purchase from ColourPop. I'm not gonna show this, it has my address. I'm just gonna open it. Open the box. And I bought 3 palettes a month and a half ago. It got here really super late. I thought it was lost for a second. I got It's My Pleasure palette. The other one is called Wild Child. This came out recently. I know that for sure. And the third one is called Making Mauves. So let's see which one I decide to use. I'm gonna show you first all three of them and then I'll decide. Oh, the packaging is so gorgeous. They were all on sale, by the way, when I purchased all three of them. That's why I got three. This one. It's my pleasure. That's one. The other one is Wild Child. Take this off. That's cute. And Making Moms. Let's take this out. I don't know which one to use. This one doesn't have a mirror. That's odd. It's the only one that doesn't have a mirror. I think I'm gonna go with neutral. I haven't done a neutral look in a while. Some people love doing that. I don't know why. Let's try Spotted. And I'm using my Lavish Tapered Blending. I'm going to use the same brush and the same color on the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with Ground Crew. And I'm using Glamorous Doll brush. I'm going to concentrate this more on the crease. Let me blend those two colors together. With a smaller brush, the Moda Smudger, I'm going to use that same color on the lower lash line. I'm going to deepen the outer corner and the inner corner using the Moda brush detail brush. And I'm going to use Feisty. Now I want to decide which one I want to put in the center. Let me show you the options. This is Fierce. Looks pretty. Close Up, more bronzy. Lashes, creamy. And the other one is called Grassland. Ooh, I like that one too. Ooh, I like that one a lot. Let's see how it looks. I might put another one on top of that one, just in the center. Now I'm going to use Fierce in the center. I'm going to wet my brush to see if it pops more. I'm going to put some black eyeliner in my waterline and I'll be right back. I bought these from Ardell. They're the style 371. So I'm going to trim them and I'm going to put them on. So lashes are on and I got these two lipsticks from L'Oreal. Matte Royal Pink. And the other one is called Le Beige. I don't know, I can never decide. So I liked everything that I purchased. Well, I haven't tried some of them yet, but I tried basically all of them except for the two palettes from ColourPop. I'll try that in another video. The only complaint that I have, not really complaint, is just that the highlighter from this palette, it was too glittery. It wasn't so creamy. It's just basically glitter. If you like glitter highlights, then you probably like this one. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!